Welcome to week 7 of the ME Habits program, the 12-week Train Your Brain, Transform Your Body program. So you might be asking, what happens now? You're halfway through this program. You got 6 weeks in, you got 6 weeks to go. And here's the thing, this is the way this program was designed. The first 6 weeks were designed to set the foundation. All of those things that you learned, you're going to be applying in the next 6 weeks. Everything that you've learned, this idea of setting implementation intentions, the idea of your inspiration totem and purpose visualization, gratitude training, compassion exercises, story editing, the concept of the victim culture and why you want to avoid it, and also this idea that change happens over time slowly and that failure and learning the lessons from your failure is the only way to succeed. All of that stuff you're going to be bringing to bear in the next 6 weeks. So what happens in the next 6 weeks? Well, we've set aside 6 core habits. These are those big rock habits, those trickle-down habits, those keystone habits that make a big difference in your life. When they're changed, they have this trickle-down effect that changes multiple things for you, that really helps you make multiple habit changes at one time. And whenever you make change or want to change your lifestyle, these are the things that give you the biggest bang for your buck. So now what we're going to do is take all that stuff in the first 6 weeks and begin to apply it to each of these individual habits. The first habit for week 7 is water. Water is the first big habit you're going to practice. Why water? Well, water is a keystone habit, a big rock habit, because when you focus on drinking just water, it displaces many of the other things that you perhaps should not be drinking, like soda, like diet soda, like coffee with cream and sugar in it, like sweet tea, like sports drinks, all of these things that may or may not be serving you. They may not be hurting you, but certainly water is going to be better, and it's a great first thing to be practicing with. So what you're going to do and what we suggest you do so you can practice all the things you've learned is that you are going to now begin to drink 1 liter of water, which is roughly 1 quart of water per 50 pounds of body weight. So I'm right around 250 pounds, let's say. Let's round up. So that means for every 50 pounds, I'm going to do 1 liter of water. That means 5 liters for me of water per day. A gallon and 1 liter. 4 liters equal 1 gallon. So how am I going to make this change? Well, I've learned how to do this in the first 6 weeks, right? We all know that now, whenever you want to make a change, the first thing you do is set the implementation intention. The why you're going to do it, the what you're going to do, the when you're going to do it, and the how you're going to do it. So what we are going to do is now approach this water habit the exact same way. And throughout the week, your emails are going to give you more tips and tactics and things that you need to focus on as you make this change. Now imagine what happens when you go through this procedure for 6 different habits. Not only will you make big changes in those habits, but you're going to have this locked down. You're going to know how to make habit change once you get through all of these habits. So week number 7 is the intro into the next 6 weeks where we get to practice every single thing we've learned. So go back, look at all the things that you've sort of done, determine which of these things, which of the activities that we've just discussed, purpose visualization, compassion training, gratitude training, story editing, go back and look at all those and shore up your weaknesses. Make sure you understand what they're all used for so that you can then now apply them in week 7, 8, 9, and beyond. So let's get started with week 7, guys. Really excited. Here we go.